Hello everyone. I'm your friend KR Bhardwaj. You're watching Font of English Education. Today in this session we are gonna learn about apostrophe S. A quick recall till now what we have learned. This is the 8th session of noun and even last session of noun. A quick recall what we have learned till now about noun. In the very first session of the noun we learned about types of noun. There are 5 types of noun, and second session noun and gender. There are 4 types of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, neutral gender, and common gender. When we talk about third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh session, last 5 sessions, we learned about noun and numbers. Some of the nouns which are singular in function but plural in forms, and some nouns singular in form but plural in function, and some of the nouns which are exist in pair, that's why that are treated plural, they behave always plural. Some of the nouns which are treated singular and plural both, because they have the same form, singular and plural form. If you haven't watched previous videos, please go to the home page of the channel and watch all videos step by step. In the last video, last session, that was the 7th session of noun, we learned about some nouns. Not only noun, some words. Some are prepositions, adjectives, etc., etc. Some are verb, noun. Last, when we add s at the end of the verb, they behave differently. They change their meaning completely. If you haven't watched that video, please go to the description and watch. Link has been given in the description. And today we are gonna learn about apostrophe S. What is apostrophe? Guys, point a minute. What is apostrophe S? Before learning about apostrophe S, I would love to tell you about this apostrophe. This is a mark. Guys, point to be noted, a punctuation mark. Not only mark, punctuation mark. This type of mark, punctuation mark. So what is the use of this? Why? What is the need? Why do we use this punctuation mark? This punctuation mark is used to indicate omission of letters and numbers and a possessive case of noun. Guys, point to be noted, this punctuation mark, apostrophe mark, is used to indicate omission of numbers and or letters and or possessive noun. How? Guys, point to be noted, like we write can't, cannot. When we use apostrophe s, we can omit some letters. Cannot can be written can't, apostrophe t. Don't, do not can be written don't, apostrophe and t. Okay, we omit o over here, we omit n and o over here. When we talk about did not can be written didn't. This, okay, we can omit letters with the help of apostrophe. He is, he was, and he has. Guys, point to be noted, its contraction form is he has, his, apostrophe s, his. He was, he is, he has, his, he has. Okay, guys, point to be noted, we can write. When we talk about number, we can write 1st January 19, we can write 19. 1st January 2010, we can't write, we only write 10 to apostrophe, after that 10. 1st January, on 1st January 1999, only we can use apostrophe s after that number. So when we talk about the origin of this word apostrophe, this punctuation mark, when we talk about origin of this word, it's not an English word. It was taken from Greek language, middle of the 16th century. It was taken from Greek language. There were 2 words. First is apo and second is strephin. Guys, point to be noted. Two words. Apo means from. Guys, point to be noted. Apo, not apo. Apo means from. From, when we talk about Stephen, it means to turn. To turn. Apo means from, to turn. And after that, these two words were joined and one word was formed. That means apostrophe. Apostrophe, not apo. I'm so sorry. Apostrophe. Apostrophe, not apo. It's apo. Apostrophe. Apostrophe. It means turn away. Guys, point to be noted. Turn away. Turn away. And after that, it was made. It was changed in apostrophe. Apostrophe in English. That is English, or this is English verb. And after that, in English, it was taken. It was changed apostrophe. 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 It's an English word. Guys, point to be noted. It's an English word. First, it was taken. Okay, there were two words. After that, in Greek, Greek words. Two Greek words, apo, and after that, strophe. After that, okay, two words were joined, and meaning is apo, from, and when we talk of stephen, means to turn. Apostrophe. One word was formed with the help of two words. That means turn away. Apostrophe. Apostrophe. After that, it was formed in English. It was changed apostrophe. Okay, apostrophe. It's an English word. Now it's an English word, but the origin of this word is Greek. Greek language. This word was taken from Greek language. And today we will learn about apostrophe s. And third, guys, point to be noted. First, second, and third is apostrophe s. That indicates a possessive case of noun. Possessive case of noun. How someone possessive case of noun, apostrophe, with the help of apostrophe s. Like Ram's car, girls hostel, boys hostel, nature's life, hours duration. We can use apostrophe s after that to indicate, to show possession. Apostrophe s is used to indicate that something belongs to someone. Something belongs to someone. I repeat, apostrophe s is used to indicate, to show that something belongs to someone. Like Rohan's pen, Rahul's car, Rahul's bag. We can use. There are many rules how to use apostrophe s. We will learn step by step, one by one. Let's start first. Apostrophe s, how to show a possession. Have a look at these examples. An apostrophe s. Apostrophe s is used to show that something belongs to someone. The possessive case of noun. Guys, point to be noted. Rohan's car. First example, Rohan's car. Rohan, after that apostrophe s. Rohan's car. It means this car belongs to Rohan. Rohan's car. Voice hostel. Voice. This hostel belongs to Voice. Rahul's mistake. Rahul's mistake. Mistake which was done by Rahul. And when we talk about today's news, today apostrophe s, news. Kalidas book. Kalidas, this book belongs to Kalidas. India's population. We are talking about population of India. Nature's laws. Nature's. Talking about laws of natures. Guys, point to be noted over here. You must have noticed here apostrophe s, Rohan's apostrophe, Rohan, after that apostrophe, after that s. But here boys s, boys have spelling boys, s after that only apostrophe, not s. Only this punctuation mark is written. Okay, only this punctuation mark has been written in this phrase. Boys hostel. Rahul's, it's with opposition S, punctuation mark with S. Same, punctuation mark with S, apostrophe S with apostrophe plus S. Kalidas, guys, point you noted without S. Kalidas, only apostrophe, not S. Why? What is the main reason behind it? We will learn each and everything step by step. In the next slide, we will see some example how to change this apostrophe S structure into of system. What do you mean by that? This sentence, this phrase, Rohan's car, can we return the car of Rohan? Boys hostel, can we return the hostel of boys? Rahul's mistake, can we return the mistake of Rahul? How? Let's see in the next slide. Have a look at word. Apostrophe structure can be changed into the of system. Guys, point me, this is the first rule of apostrophe S. Apostrophe S structure can be changed into of system. This sentence, this phrase, a student's life, can we return the life of a student? Both the phrases have same meaning. Both are same. A girl's umbrella, can we return the umbrella of a girl? People's love, can we return the love of people? Gandhi's death, the death of Gandhi. When we talk about Shakespeare's plays, this phrase can be written the plays of Shakespeare. Guys, point to be noted. But the pen's cap, the cap of the pen, this one is an incorrect phrase, and when we talk about this one is correct. Guys, point to be noted. Apostrophe S cannot be used with non-living. You must have noticed in the very last slide we learned about some examples like nature's laws, India's population, and today's news. India, nature, and today, these are not human beings. We will learn in the next slide with whom we can use apostrophe S and when we don't use apostrophe S structure. Second rule of apostrophe S. Apostrophe S is not used with non-living things. Guys, point to be noted. Apostrophe S is not used with non-living things. The chair's leg, apostrophe S, chair, after that apostrophe S, it's an incorrect phrase. Why this phrase is incorrect? Because guys, as you know, apostrophe S, we use apostrophe S to indicate, to show that something belongs to someone for only human beings, only living beings. Not 100%, in 99% cases, but 1% cases we can use apostrophe S with non-living thing. Why? I will explain later. The leg of chair, this is a correct phrase. The chair's leg incorrect, the leg of chair correct. The house's roof incorrect. The roof of the house correct. Why? What is the main reason behind it? As you know, when we talk about the house's roof, roof can be changed. We can change roof, second roof, like suppose this pen. If I lose this cap can be changed. Cap can be fixed on this pen different. Another cap can be fixed. But when we talk about with living beings, human beings, Rohan's father, Rohan's sister, Rohan's father cannot be changed, Rohan's sister cannot be changed. We can't replace human being. So that's why we don't use apostrophe S with non-living thing. Guys, point to be noted. The garden's flower, it's an incorrect phrase. The flowers of the garden, correct. We have to write the flowers of the garden. Guys, point to be noted. I know most of you are student over here. If you are speaking, if you heard about it, houses, roof, chairs, leg, gardens, flowers, etc. etc. in anywhere. Facebook, Insta, anywhere. Guys, informal English you can use in informal English. When we talk about examination point of view, competitive English, we can't use apostrophe s with non-living thing. 99% cases. The windows glass can be changed. Windows glass can be changed. The glass of window. That's why incorrect, correct. We have to say the glass of window. When we talk about this, a rupees worth, what do you think about correct and incorrect? Guys, point immediately. A rupees worth, a month's salary, a kilometer journey, 5 tons weight. That's hand. Moon's nature, yesterday's news, today's news, nature's law, all are correct. All these phrases are correct. Why? What is the main reason behind it? Guys, point to be noted. We don't use apostrophe s is not used with non-living thing, but when we talk about time, measurement, distance, amount, we can use apostrophe s. I repeat, apostrophe s is used with non-living thing when a phrase indicates time, weight, distance, measurement, and amount, and personified nouns. What do you mean by that personified noun? Personification. In the very second session of noun, we learned noun and gender. In that session, I explained each and everything. I tried my level best to explain what is the noun, personification of noun. Personification of nouns, some nouns that are treated as a human being. If you haven't watched that video, please, link has been given in the description. Go to the description and watch that video. Guys, point to be noted, a rupees worth. It indicates, this phrase shows amount, worth, a rupees worth, 5 rupees worth, not rupees. Guys, point to be noted, we will learn why in the next. A month's salary, amount, a kilometer journey, distance, 5 tons weight. We talk about weight, that's hand, personified noun. Moon's nature, personified noun. Yesterday's, nature's law, personified noun. Guys, we can use apostrophe s. We don't use apostrophe s with non-living thing in 99% cases, but some cases a phrase, a word which indicates about time, weight, length, distance, amount, and personified noun. With them we can use apostrophe as structure. Otherwise we can't use. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, please take free yourself, ask questions. If you have any kind of doubt, please share your doubt through your comment. I will try my level best to reply your comments. In the next slide, we will see some words like village, school, and city. These words don't follow apostrophe s structure or of system structure. We will see in the next slide. My dear friends, point to be noted. Public, city, village. With these 3 words, we can use neither apostrophe s structure nor of system. The public's place, incorrect phrase. We can't say the public, this is a public's place. No, incorrect sentence. The place of public, incorrect. We can't say this is the place of public. No, we have to say this is public place. This is the public place. Correct sentence. Neither apostrophe s structure nor of system. Similarly, the city's street, incorrect. The streets of city, incorrect. Neither of apostrophe S structure nor of system. The city's street, guys, point to be noted. It's a correct phrase. What is your village name? No, you haven't heard about it. Maybe. What is your village's name? Incorrect. What is your village name? What is your village name? This is a correct sentence. I hope you understood, guys. Point to be noted. These three words we can't use apostrophe S structure or of system. In the next slide, we learn in the next use of apostrophe S. Third use, when do we use apostrophe S, and when do we use only apostrophe without S. Apostrophe S, rule number third. Some of the nouns which end with S, double S is not written with them. Only apostrophe mark is used. What do you mean by that? Some of the nouns which end with saw sound. Guys, point of note, which end with saw sound, S is not written with them. Only apostrophe mark is used. Boys' school. You don't say boys' school. We have to omit, we have to drop S. No, it's a correct phrase. Boys' school. You say boys' school. Girls' hostel. No, we say girls' hostel. Without S. Only apostrophe mark. Kalidas's book. No, we say Kalidas book, not Das's book. No, Kalidas book. Nicholas car, not Nicholas's car. With apostrophe S. Only apostrophe mark. Nicholas car. Doctors. No, we don't say doctors. We say doctors strike. Doctors strike has ended, not doctors. Okay, there is no word like this. We have to omit S. We have to drop S. Only apostrophe mark is written. So the doctor's strike has ended. Guys, point to be noted, there were some writers, some poeters, they used to write apostrophe S, being S at the end of the noun. Keats's poetry. Guys, point to be noted. Keats's poetry, S, apostrophe S. Dickens's theory, correct. And Burns's novel. Guys, point to be noted, these are writers. These were nouns. Okay, these are nouns. These were writers who used to write apostrophe S. Okay, having being S at the end of the noun. If you find in anywhere these nouns, it's correct. Not these correct. These phrases are correct, not incorrect. If in formal English you want to use apostrophe S, being S at the end of the noun, you can use, but in formal English, not formal English, competitive examination, it will be incorrect phrase. So you will have to write only apostrophe mark, not S. But if you, when you find anytime, maybe you know, some of you know about it. If you don't know, anytime you will face these phrases with S, apostrophe mark plus S, these phrases are correct. Point to be noted, these are correct phrases. In the next slide, we will see fourth rule of apostrophe S. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take. Rule number 4. Common possession and different possession. In common possession, apostrophe S is added to the last noun. In different possession, apostrophe S is added to all nouns. Okay, to the all nouns. What do you mean by that? If two or more nouns have common possession of one thing and one person, apostrophe S is added to the last noun. If two or more nouns have different possession of one thing and one person, apostrophe S is added to all the nouns. Sir, we haven't understood yet. Let me explain you with the help of some examples. Rahul's and Rohan's father is Sanjay. Guys, point to be noted here. Rahul's and Rohan's father is Sanjay. Rahul is one noun, Rohan is another noun. First and second, there are two nouns. Okay, there are two nouns over here and their father, two nouns. Rohan and Rahul's father is Sanjay. So here verb is singular and singular noun, singular verb. Possession, Sanjay's. Rahul and Rohan's father is Sanjay. In this case, we have to use only one. We have to add as possession, common possession. Rahul and Rohan have common possession of Sanjay. Okay? Yeah, Sanjay is father, the father of both. Sanjay, the father of both Rahul and Rohan. So in this case, we have to use apostrophe s at the last noun. Here, Rahul and Rohan's father is Sanjay. But in this case, Ravi's and Mohan's fathers have been invited. It means the fathers of both. Guys, point to be noted. Fathers of both Ravi and Mohan. In this case, we have to add apostrophe s with to the all nouns. Ravi's and Mohan's fathers have been invited. Plural noun, plural verb, passive voice. For example, sports. Rohan, Sohan, Rohan, Rahul, Sohan, Mohan. They are four siblings. Okay, so they possess only one case. They have one father. In this case, we have used apostrophe s at the end of the noun. But when we talk about different family, Rohan, Mohan, Sanjay, Ganesh, they are different. They are friends. In this case, we have to use apostrophe s with all nouns. Rohan, Sohan's, Ganesh, and Mahesh's father have been invited. I hope you understood. They don't have same possession. Rohan's and Rahul's wives are dancing. The wives of both Rohan's and Rahul's. In this case, we have to use plural noun and plural verb. Apostrophe s with, we have to add apostrophe s to all the nouns. If, guys, point to be noted, Rohan and Rahul's mother is dancing. Guys, point to be noted. If mother will be written over here, we have to use only one. For common possession, we have to use apostrophe s with only last word, last noun, and different possession. We have to use apostrophe s with all the nouns. Here, common possession, different possession. Rohan and Rahul's wives are dancing. This sentence can be written, not this sentence. If this sentence has been written over here, Rohan and Rahul's mother is dancing. It means common possession, a different possession. Ram and Ravi's dog is brown. Common possession. Dog of both Ram and Ravi. Ram's and Ravi's dogs are brown. There are two dogs. In this sentence, there is only one dog. Okay? Possession both Ram and Ravi have the same possession on dog. Okay? When we talk about Ram's and Ravi's dogs are brown. In this case, there are two dogs. One Ram has different and Ravi has different dog. Both the sentences are correct. Guys, point to be noted. Ravi, Rahul, Ram, Rahul, Rohan, Ravi's dog is brown. In this case, dog is only one possession, only one common possession. When we talk about Ram's, Ravi's, Rohan's, Sohan's, dogs are brown. It means they have many dogs, different dog. Each dog. I hope you understood. Sardar Patel, the Iron Man statue have been erected. Sardar Patel, Sardar Patel is known by the name of Iron Man. So we can't write this sentence. We can't write Sardar Patel's the Iron Man's statue have been erected. Incorrect, because we are talking about only one statue, possession one, both are same. We have to write only Sardar Patel the Iron Man statue has been erected will be the correct answer. We can't use both Sardar Patel's the Iron Man's statue have been erected. Incorrect. Sardar Patel's the Iron Man statue has been erected. Incorrect. Guys, point to be noted. In the last common possession, we use apostrophe s in the last noun. Rule number 5. Apostrophe s is used at the last word of the compound noun. What do you mean by that? Compound noun? You must have heard about it. You must know about it. I hope you know about it. Compound noun. Brother-in-laws, sister-in-laws, father-in-laws. These are compound nouns. This is my brother's-in-law car. It's an incorrect sentence. We have to write this is my brother-in-law's car. Apostrophe s is used in the last word. At the last word of the compound noun. Brother-in-laws. We can't write brothers-in-law's car. We have to write brothers-in-law's car. Possession apostrophe s is added at the end of the noun, last word, at the last word. Your mother's-in-law's behavior is good. Incorrect. We have to write your mother-in-law's behavior is good. Now it's a correct sentence. This is also a correct sentence. Okay, first one is incorrect. And guys, point to be noted. Rule number 6. The plus plural common noun is okay. With the plus plural common noun, we don't use apostrophe s. The poor's life. Poor is an adjective, guys. Point to be noted. When we talk about plural common noun, we don't use apostrophe s here. Now it's a correct phrase. The poor life. Not, we don't say the poor's life. The rich's life. No, we write only the rich life, the poor life, the poor people, the rich people. In this case, we talk about entire poor of the nation, entire poor, rich of the nation. We talk about entire community, entire community of poor, community of rich, the poor, all poor, the rich, all rich. In the next slide, we will learn 7th rule. Apostrophe s is used with indefinite pronouns like someone, no one, anyone. Let's see. Rule number 7. Apostrophe s is used with these indefinite pronouns. Someone, no one, anyone, everyone, somebody, nobody, anybody, and everybody. With these indefinite pronouns, we use apostrophe s. For example, she likes somebody's suggestion. Somebody's suggestion. Somebody, indefinite pronoun after apostrophe s and suggestion. She likes somebody else's suggestion. Guys, point to be noted. If indefinite pronoun plus else has been given in a sentence, we use apostrophe s with else, not anybody. We can't write she likes somebody's apostrophe s else suggestion. It will be incorrect sentence. We have to write she likes somebody else's suggestion. This is somebody else's book. Correct sentence. We can't write this is somebody's else book. Incorrect. We have to write indefinite pronoun plus else, add apostrophe s with else, okay, at the end of the else. As you know, apostrophe s is added last word, with last word. So guys, everything's beauty is perishable. This is an incorrect sentence. Why? There are 4 pronouns. Guys, point to be noted, there are 4 indefinite pronouns. With them we can't use apostrophe s system. We have to use of system, not apostrophe s, of system. Something, nothing, everything, and anything. With these three words, indefinite pronoun, we don't use apostrophe s. We use of system. The beauty of everything is perishable. It's a correct sentence. I repeat, there are four indefinite pronouns because something, everything, nothing, and anything. These are used for non-living thing. For non-living thing, we don't use apostrophe s. As we know, we learned maybe second or third slide of this video. So I hope you understood. Apostrophe s is used with these indefinite pronoun: someone, no one, anyone, everyone, somebody, nobody, anybody, everybody. But something, nothing, everything, and anything, with these words we don't use apostrophe s. Everything's beauty is perishable is an incorrect sentence. The beauty of everything is perishable. Okay, the beauty of everything is perishable is a correct sentence. We have to use of system with everything, something, anything, and nothing. Eighth rule of apostrophe s. This is the last rule of apostrophe s. Never use the structure of apostrophe s two times in a sentence. Second time we have to use of system. This is Rahul's brother's car. This is an incorrect sentence. We have to write, this is the car of Rahul's brother. We can't use two times apostrophe s structure. We have to use second time of system. This is the car of Rahul's brother will be correct. This is a correct sentence. What is Rahul's brother's name? It's an incorrect sentence. We have to say, what is the name of Rahul's brother? Correct sentence. This is my brother's friend. This is my brother's friend's house. We can't use two times apostrophe s in a sentence. We have to write, this is the house of my brother's friend. I repeat, never use two times apostrophe s structure in a sentence. Second time we have to use of system. I would love to finish this session over here. I hope you have found this session helpful. If you have found this session helpful, please don't forget like, subscribe and share. In the next session we will practice till now what we have learned about noun in 8th chapter. Basic to advanced. I will make some questions. I will prepare some question, entire revision, we can say revision. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the next session. Till then, take care, goodbye, have fun.